When we looked at the reduction of the fecal egg counts, the untreated animals obviously didn't have a large reduction. The oxybenzole, again, was still highly effective, and the macrocyclic lactones, again, were not considered effective. I did look at 2024. I looked at an effective sex since we did have bulls on that farm. I dropped it for this analysis because it was only on the one farm. And heifers had lower fecal egg counts than steers. And then when I looked at initial fecal egg count by sex on just the one farm that had it, the males were higher than the females, and the bulls and steers were similar. So 2025 fecal egg count reduction, same thing. Our oxybenzole was still effective. Doramectin and aprinamectin, again, macrocyclic lactones, were not effective. And this was interesting since long range has traditionally been thought to be more effective than the other macrocyclic lactones. But it was not considered effective on this farm. I will say that in between the two studies, the farmer actually started deworming more, but he was using macrocyclic lactones. So he wasn't using the combination. So he was likely making the resistance problem on his farm a little worse. Because when he did use the combination, it was highly effective. And the combination with levamisole was also highly effective. Fecal egg counts, again, we see that males had higher fecal egg counts than females. And between the two farms in 2025, Fort Valley State University was doing a study, and we wanted them wormy, so we let them get very wormy. So we had much higher counts than he did. All right, so this is the conclusion, summary conclusion. The white drenches, oxybenzole was still effective. This is what we traditionally see on producer farms. And again, we're worried about macrocyclic lactone resistance on producer farms, even in Georgia. And I can tell our producers, though, that the combination dewormer still works, and that is what veterinarians are suggesting that we use. So the one farmer said, should I change to Valcor? And Valcor is a prescription dewormer and is very expensive. And I said no, because here's the results. It still works on your farm, so use the less expensive. And I can't remember what it costs, but long range is very high. So those prescription dewormers are very expensive. So we still are recommending that they use the combination dewormer of a benzimidazole and a macrocyclic lactone. Okay, so 2 minutes. Any questions?